So, hi dear Cancer, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a 7 day 7 oracle messages for all the Cancer, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 11 till the 17th of May 2026. Please keep in mind these are general messages, they might or might not resonate with you. And even if that does 100% by some miracle, don't take this as a personal reading, just take the messages as the guidance for yourself and use them wisely, okay? Any kind of decision or choices made based on my readings is your responsibility, not mine. Okay, for personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box, you'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono master class 2, links are given below. So let's start, Cancer. The overall energy for Cancer people for this week. Let's see. The overall energy for Cancer people for this week. Let's see what we have. So we have the Queen of Raphael, follow your heart, a love of home and family, trustworthy psychic information. Your heart is going to be wide open. You are going to feel like your heart is leading you to places, people, or situations or things that are actually really beautiful and meaningful for you, right? So follow your heart. A love of home and family. So you might be, if you are living away from your home or family, you might get some kind of energy of okay, connecting with them, meeting them, and having fun with them. Trustworthy psychic information, especially if you guys are consciously working on your spiritual growth or your spirituality, you guys will be able to get some kind of trustworthy psychic information. Okay, cool. 11th of May, we have the Four of Ariel. When you give, you also receive. When you give with a heart full of gratitude, you also receive with a heart full of gratitude. This energy of giving and receiving should be handled with a love, with a lot of love and gratitude kind of energy. Being resistant to change. Now, Cancer, you might be in this energy of resisting change at any cost. Don't do that, okay? Because change is the only constant, and all of us have to accept the changes at some point of time. So the more you are going to resist changes, the more you are suppressing your own growth and happiness. Extremes in how you save or spend money. Either you are going to be spending too much, or you are going to be in this miserable energy of saving too much. So make sure you are not going to go in the extremes, and you are going to find a middle ground where you are saving properly and spending properly, right? 12th, we have the stay determined and move forward. 9 of Gabriel, stay determined and move forward. Determination and self confidence is very important for you guys to keep moving forward on a particular path. Be prepared for any possibility. So, on this particular day, you might have to go through some kind of challenges also, but be prepared for any kind of possibilities also, like in a positive way too. Environmental activism. If you are into environmental activism, or you guys are volunteering regarding some kind of environmental thing, just do that, have fun with that. You're going to get extreme peace and happiness at the end of the day, a sense of accomplishment. So we have 11, 12. 13th of May, we have the Ace of Michaels, a wonderful new idea. Don't allow bumps in the road to hinder your progress. You guys are going to get some kind of wonderful idea regarding a particular situation. Don't allow bumps in the road to hinder your progress. You are going to be faced with some kind of obstacles or challenges, so don't allow these bumps in the road to hinder your progress in any way. Just keep moving forward on the path of your happiness, right? Clear up communication problem with others. If you're having any kind of communication issues with anybody, try to clear them right now, only right now. Okay, maybe because afterwards they will not be able to be cleared properly. Okay, something might not add up right afterwards, so try to clear the communication issues right now, only on this particular day, whether it's with a person or some kind of communication gap happening with the, my goodness, I got scared. Okay, so yeah, clear up the communication problems the moment it happens. Okay, afterwards it might become a mess. So we have 11, 12, 13, 14th of May, we have the Knight of Ariel. There is so much to accomplish. Okay, there is so much to accomplish in a particular situation of your life, especially regarding your career, I guess so. Yeah, career. Make a very detailed plan. Instead of running in so many directions and not being able to achieve anything, make a proper detailed plan to achieve something in a proper way, right? Being watched over by someone kind. Somebody is watching you. Somebody is watching your potential. They're watching you how you are handling things. So they are going to maybe give you a helping hand in the coming future. So work, keep on working, and keep on moving forward. 15th of May, we have the Six of Raphael. Embrace your inner child. Connect with your inner child. You might be becoming a very serious or robotic kind of a person. Might be becoming a machine. So connect with your inner child. New friends or rekindle relationships. You guys will be able to make new friends on this day, or your connection with your with those people with whom you're not able to connect from quite a long time is going to be rekindled again. So there is really beautiful opportunity to connect with your inner child. Stay happy and spread happiness. Children or childhood, something related to children or childhood is going to be of significance on this particular day. Okay, good for you. 16th, we have the lovers. Make choices from your heart. So you might be avoiding making some kind of decision or choices regarding a particular situation, especially when it comes to a romantic situation, maybe, or it can be deeply emotional kind of a situation. Okay, the power of love. You guys have to make some kind of choice or decision in order to be at peace regarding a situation that you guys are kind of avoiding or ignoring. Don't do that. Hmm? Make a choice and then stick to that choice so that you can be at peace. 17th of May, we have the World card, a very happy ending, coming full circle, spiritual growth and insight. You guys will be able to end some kind of a cycle, and it's going to be a quite happy ending for you guys in a particular situation. It might be something that you are working on from quite a long time now, and the time has come for this to come full circle. Spiritual growth and insight. You guys will be able to have some kind of spiritual growth and insight. If you guys are consciously working on your spirituality, there are good chances of you guys having a lot of growth and expansion in that area of your life. So enjoy, and you guys are going to get a lot of insights and answers also that you might be seeking for. Okay, let's see the guidance for you guys, the final card for you guys, the guidance. Five of Gabriel, a challenge you can resolve. There is going to be a challenge in this week that you guys can resolve if you guys are going to properly analyze and think about it, about resolving it. Withdraw from the drama of others. You don't have to be a part of any kind of drama, especially if it is not related to you directly. Withdraw from the drama of others. Have patience with yourself and those around you. Patience is the key here, Cancer. If you are going to be impatient or restless, you might end up having some kind of stressful energies around you, and that's not going to help you in any way, right? So have patience with yourself, have patience with the people around you, and try to avoid drama that is especially not directly related to you in some way. Yeah. Until unless you're an actor. Okay, and you want to do drama, it's your living or something, right? Just kidding. Anyway, so thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.